Alright, so we're going to practice dividing polynomials by monomials. So I have my 8x cubed minus 4x squared plus 12x. And I'm going to rewrite that as a fraction, so divided by negative 4x squared. So I'm going to rewrite that again as 8x cubed divided by negative 4x squared minus 4x squared divided by a negative 4x squared and plus 12 divided by a negative 4x squared. Okay, so 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2. X cubed divided by x squared is x. 4 divided by a negative 4 is negative 1. X squared divided by x squared is 1, so I don't have to write that because they just cancel out. And then 12 divided by negative 4 is negative 3. And I'm left with the x squared on the bottom. I don't have anything. Oh, I do have an x. I'm sorry, I forgot that. So I have x divided by x squared. And so that leaves me with 1 over x. So when I write my final answer, I end up with, let's do this in red again. I end up with negative 2x minus a negative 1. So that is plus 1. And then plus a negative 3 and 1 over x. So I know negative 3 times 1 over x is negative 3 over x. So minus 3 over x. So that is our final answer. Over here, I have 6x cubed plus 2x minus 15. I already made this big fraction in the left-hand side of the video, so I'm just going to know that I'm already going to split it up in a smaller one, so I'm going to write it as 6x, like that. So I know 6 divided by 6 is 1, so I'm just going to cross that out. Write 1. X cubed divided by x is x squared. 2 divided by 6 is 1/3. And x divided by x is 1, so those cancel out. Then I'm left with negative 15 divided by 6. So I know that's 6 goes into 15 2 times with 3 left over, so 3 divided by 6 is 1/2. So I'm going to simplify that to 5 over 2. Because I know 3 goes into 15 5 times and 3 goes into 6 2 times. And then I'm left with that x on the bottom there. So I can actually just leave that. So in my final answer, I can write x squared plus 1/3 minus 5 over 2x. And that is our final answer.